What's up, people? Today I'm doing a little road trip in the Nude Lude. It's gonna be about 300 miles total. I don't know what I'm thinking.
Parts guys.
Four-way stopper action. Well, I made it. I don't know if you can see, but 149.7 miles from when I reset the trip odometer, which is almost at the house. Just about. Ooh. Fans must have just kicked on. I am not gonna lie, the car, the coolant wise, stayed cool, never got higher than that at any point. But I can feel the exhaust coming through here like a MUV. That thing is heat soaked like nobody's business. So I'm assuming the whole car is pretty heat soaked, because once I got off the interstate, it felt pretty weak. But I'll tell you guys who it is once he comes out.
What are you
doing? That still legitimately freaked me out. I don't know why. Hey, what's up, Drake?
Oh, you know, just hanging out.
Trying to blow out my struts. What are you thinking about? What you thinking about? Yeah, I'm recording. Get in there. Oh, my struts are gonna blow out. Watch your head. Alright, I'm gonna shut it all the way. Alright, well anyway, we're gonna put the spoiler on Drake. So Drake lives on the other side of Florida. I'm living on the Atlantic side. He lives on the Gulf side. So, but it's only about a 2.5 hour ride, and Drake actually made it. I'm super excited about that. I really don't know about the drive home though, so I shouldn't talk too much about it.
But have faith. Look, I got enough over on from like the plastic dip that I know she'll last.
I think she's ready to finally come off. That spot wasn't there before.
From my hands, you straight up out there just rubbing and vibrating.
What do you got, lizard hands? They're super rough.
Well, my girl calls me a lizard freak because I got all the lizards in the house.
Okay, dude. Alright, so we're gonna put the spoiler on. I've already done a couple of the holes. I did those back in Tucson, so they've aged a bit. But we only gotta do these 2 other holes here, and I'm gonna put the spoiler on.
Like this, right here?
Yep, literally, no. Right here. No, right. No. Alright, Drake's got it. We're gonna use the step drill.
I just wanted to make you worried just a little bit.
Yeah, he's just gonna drill these 2 holes for me, and then I got the wire harness. We'll go ahead and get that snuck up through there. This car didn't originally have the wing on it. That's why we gotta drill the holes, and it didn't have the harness originally. So thankfully I kept the harness from the other one. How's that going?
Slowly. Very slow.
Something. He's gonna grab his drill because I brought a drill that wasn't charged and it sucks to begin with. So. What are those? Are those Pelicans?
God, dude, I have to tell you, it was starting to get freaky in there.
See what happens when it's charged? And then probably come back from this side. We're the heaviest breather I've ever known. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, just hit it back this way and we'll clean it. Okay, so here's the harness. The way this harness works, if your car didn't originally have the spoiler, you're gonna have to find this or just make your own. But the way this thing works, you unplug it here, and that's gonna plug into this junction here, which this end plugs into the taillight, and then on this little end here, that's what actually goes up to the spoiler. And that's what the third brake light up there turns on.
Alright, so really what that entails is if you don't have this harness, you just tap into your brake signal or something like that. No. Yeah, you tap into the brake signal right there, and you can just do a wire up, through, and then boom, through there, to it.
Yep.
You know, I had to let everybody know for us guys that don't have everything.
Well, you know.
You had a spare car.
I know.
Not everybody has a spare car.
Well, I wasn't blessed with a spare car. I bought a car that rotted in pieces, and I had to pull the motor and put it in another car.
Sounds like a blessing to me.
It's a Midwest blessing.
Midwest? That's why we had to move south.
Seriously.
Well, you moved west, I moved south, now you're south.
Bro.
Boom. Put it through that hole. Onto that.
Drake, why are we using a Sawzall blade to cut some wires back?
Cause I'm too fucking lazy to go find it.
Cut it. Cut it. It's gonna be fantastic driving home.
People are gonna be able to tell you're braking.
Oh yeah, no, that's good. I was talking about the rain. Throw one on that side.
You have one on the top or on the bottom?
I did it on the top.
I'll do the bottom.
I'm gonna throw another one in.
Oh, okay, you got
It's not tight. I just have it in there to hold it.
Yeah, I probably could have did it just a little smaller because I guess now these are the same size as almost the hole.
Oh, I got you. It'll be all right. Oh, I guess it did go all the way down there.
Yeah, it was just tucked.
I got you. Cool. Well, that works. Now we can untwist these guys. Got 2 wires and we're good. Well, thank you, Drake. You kind of just did it for me.
Well, you know, the camera was still rolling and we were having a conversation, and I didn't want to ruin it for you, so.
I don't even know what I was talking about.
You never know what you're talking about, Dan, but it's provocative.
All right. Let's kick the headlights on first. Any light up on headlights?
No, it's probably just brake.
Is it just brake? I don't know. It's been a long time.
Yep, just brake.
All right. Well, we got the wing on, and we did do a little check. It does work, so
Oh,
good.
it did work?
Right? I got a 2.5-hour drive home, and I got to do it because it's getting dark. Well, it's not going to get dark yet, but it's going to get dark by the time I get there.
Because it's storming.
Okay.
And then,
Good
then
point.
your wipers suck.
Shut up.
No, well, okay, you got 50/50 AC.
All right, bro.
Look, mine barely runs, but it has great AC.
It's going great. It's raining. You can see I can see so much right now. It's fantastic. I've had to slow down a crap load. Cruisers are as fast as they can be. They don't go faster, and this is what I can see. I see a car getting off the interstate. It's just so weird. The sun, oh. Getting past it. It was just so sunny a second ago. And I started noticing there were some dark streaks in front of me, and I'm like, what the heck is that? It was rain. We're past the rain. Well, that's Florida for you, I guess. Getting the full treatment. All right, check that out. guess it'd probably be this trip. I should probably not say anything about it yet. But so far, we ain't got any warmer than that. Fuel, I've definitely gone through fuel. We've gone through a lot of fuel. Alright people, that's gonna wrap it up on this one. We got the spoiler on. The car made it 339 miles on this trip, which blows my friggin' mind. I'm so excited. I know, JJ, it is a car. It should be able to do that, no problem. But whatever. Nonetheless, got to hang out with Drake. He got to do some of the work. He actually did like the whole thing, so whatever. Nonetheless, I had fun, and it was worth it. But, pulling back up to the house, so I'll see you guys later. Till next time, I'm Dan, Prelude Dude.